Imagine this. You're nestled in the heart of the wilderness, surrounded by nature's beauty, the gentle crackling of a campfire, and a canopy of stars above. What makes this experience even more memorable? The right all-style camping gear. In this exploration of essential equipment, we'll introduce you to the tools and gadgets that transform your outdoor adventure into a seamless and enjoyable journey. From cozy sleeping bags to portable cookware, we'll unveil the gear that turns your camping stories into lasting memories. Let's embark on this gear-filled adventure and equip you for the great outdoors. Introducing the ENSUITE shower base, an innovative way to elevate your outdoor shower experience. With its elevated bamboo deck, this shower base offers a luxurious and comfortable feeling underfoot. What sets it apart is the slanted hidden flooring beneath, designed to efficiently channel water away from your campsite or, when filtered, direct it right back to your hot tap. This means you can enjoy virtually endless hot showers with just 5 liters of water, redefining the camping experience. Designed to fit seamlessly with all Joolca tents, the ENSUITE shower base provides a stable and practical flooring solution in seconds. It's a product of quality and durability, featuring a robust extruded aluminum frame with glass-filled nylon elbows, a slanted capture tray made of welded PVC, and an elevated bamboo deck with a marine-grade, UV-stabilized clear coat. Stainless steel fixtures and efficient drain ports ensure effective water management, either leading it away from the campsite or recirculating it back to your hot tap. Beyond the comfort, the raised design of the bamboo shower floor offers practical benefits, as there's no pressure on the capture tray below. This allows for smooth PVC construction with steep angles for efficient drainage, giving you the flexibility to manage water effectively and maintain a clean and organized campsite. Elevate your camping experience with the ENSUITE shower base and take pride in your outdoor plumbing solutions. Introducing the all-new Flashspeed Pro 3000, your ultimate outdoor home backup portable power station. This 2200-watt intelligent bidirectional inverter outdoor power station is a game-changer. It's armed with a 55 amp-hour safe lithium iron phosphate battery and boasts its super safe life BMS battery management system. Crafted with highly durable LifePure materials, every aspect of its construction screams quality. What's truly impressive is its expandable storage capacity. Simply add more extra batteries. With an AC charging speed of 2200 watts, it can be fully charged in under 90 minutes. But the real beauty lies in its solar compatibility, allowing you to harness free and sustainable green energy at home. Designed with a low center of gravity and a luggage-style portable build, it comes equipped with off-road wheels, dual concave convex carrying handles, and an expandable handle for superior maneuverability over rugged terrains. Plug-and-play simplicity meets all your outdoor energy needs, ensuring you can travel for longer periods. It's even solar panel compatible for your car roof, boasting a total capacity of 8,488 watt-hours. Its 600-watt input system efficiently converts solar energy into electrical power at maximum capacity, offering a unique and free outdoor energy storage solution. For those concerned about space, Flashspeed Pro 3000 reduces its size by 25%, making it compact enough for even the smallest car or truck. Its panel interfaces are designed with waterproof seals for added durability. Moreover, it features a detachable flashlight with a 16,000 mAh battery that can not only light your way but also charge your devices and even jumpstart your car in emergencies. The best part? No expensive modifications to your home's electrical system are needed. Simply connect it to any appliance with a single wire or place it near your device. This portable design provides unmatched freedom and cost-effectiveness. The Flashspeed Pro 3000, the most portable and affordable energy storage solution for all your needs. The NESTOUT Outdoor Series has earned the prestigious IF Design Gold Award, a recognition bestowed upon products that exemplify innovation, cohesive design, and meticulous attention to detail. This series draws inspiration from nostalgic outdoor products, notably vintage fuel bottles, serving as a symbolic transition from fossil to clean, renewable energy. Each NESTOUT battery comes equipped with fast-charging USB-C ports featuring USB power delivery, ensuring rapid charging for electronic devices like phones, earbuds, tablets, and more. These batteries also boast intelligent functionality, automatically detecting the energy requirements of connected devices and allocating more power to those that need it. Designed for diverse outdoor activities in various climates and weather conditions, NESTOUT batteries are waterproof, dustproof, and capable of submersion for up to 30 minutes at a depth of 1 meter. They are engineered to withstand extreme activities throughout the year, with lithium-ion batteries encased in a silicone cushion to minimize the transmission of vibrations and shocks, meeting the rigorous US military standard drop test. For a seamless experience, these batteries are designed to work harmoniously with NESTOUT accessories, such as the Lamp 1 lantern and Flash 1 LED panel, custom-made to exclusively fit these power banks. With NESTOUT, you're equipped for reliable and versatile power on your outdoor adventures. The Lewpings camping lantern is an essential addition to your outdoor gear, whether you're an avid camper, an adventurer, or someone preparing for emergencies. This solar-powered lantern is both portable and power-efficient, ensuring you have a reliable source of light when you need it most. It's perfect for various situations, from power outages, hurricanes, and storms to outdoor activities like hiking, camping, fishing, and picnics. Additionally, it serves as a versatile reading or night lamp. Equipped with 2 large and high-efficiency solar panels, this lantern rapidly charges in direct sunlight. Its 4400 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 80 hours of illumination on a single charge. When sunlight is scarce, a USB port allows for a quick 3-hour recharge, making it ideal for camping trips, vehicles, and emergency situations. Not only does this lantern provide excellent lighting, but it also functions as a solar-powered power bank, enabling you to charge your phone and other devices during power outages or outdoor adventures. With an adjustable brightness range from 60 to 280 lumens, it can illuminate a substantial area of up to 300 square feet. Its durable design is built to withstand rain and splashes, ensuring it can be used in all weather conditions. The Lewpings camping lantern is a versatile and dependable source of light, ready to accompany you on your outdoor and emergency journeys. Are you passionate about perfecting on-the-go hydration? Meet the Contour Reservoir. The Contour is designed to be lightweight, low profile, and packed with trail-ready features. We understand that performance relies on controlling water movement, so the Contour features shape-lock baffles and a slim profile to prevent unwanted sloshing. Filling and carrying are made simple with a soft, flexible handle. The HydraPak slide seal top boasts a wide opening for easy filling and a leak-proof closure you can trust. For a streamlined fit, the Contour features a 3D bottom and a strategically placed tube connection on the side of the reservoir. Its universal hanger is compatible with clips, hooks, loops, and a wide range of backpacks and bags. Designed to self-seal after every sip, the Comet Bite valve is equipped with a magnet to sit comfortably on vests and pack straps. This lightweight valve includes a thumb-activated shut-off to prevent leaks. Cleaning is a breeze with the Contour's internal drying tab, allowing you to reverse the reservoir for deep cleaning and complete drying. HydraPak understands that adventure isn't one size fits all, which is why the Contour comes in 2 and 3 liter sizes, as well as a 1.5 liter lumbar option. Safety is a priority, and the Contour is BPA and PVC free, aligning with our commitment to quality. This reservoir was meticulously designed to elevate your outdoor experience by perfecting every feature. Say goodbye to flimsy paper plates and bowls that easily blow away and prove to be less than ideal for dining. No longer will you contribute to the environmental burden with masses of single-use plastics. Bid farewell to broken ceramic dishes and the chaos of organizing camping boxes and drawers. Welcome to Magware 2.0, which now includes innovative, patent-pending magnetic bowls and plate sets. These revolutionary additions complement our Red Dot award-winning Magware Cutlery, providing the perfect solution for situations where traditional crockery just won't suffice. Magware connects magnetically, securely fastening the components together and eliminating any annoying rattling. Whether you're enjoying a picnic or embarking on a camping adventure, Magware's family sets come with a rugged bag designed to keep everything neatly organized and together. Even when you're out at sea, these plates and bowls won't rattle, thanks to their clever magnetic connections, which are identical to those on our cutlery sets. This magnetic feature allows the plates and bowls to attach to the side, leaving your hands free. Crafted from 304 food-grade stainless steel with a brushed polished finish, Magware bowls and plates are not only functional but also stylish. The tabs on the sides provide a comfortable grip when carrying hot food. Thanks to these silicone spacers, Magware holds firmly together in a compact bundle. In addition to its ingenious design, Magware also boasts a zip pocket at the top of the bag, offering ample space for your washing up essentials. Connecting the cutlery to your bowl or plate means you can keep it away from dirty surfaces, ensuring a clean and pleasant dining experience. When it's time to clean up, rest assured that Magware bowls and plates are dishwasher safe, making life even more convenient. Elevate your outdoor dining with the Magware range, where form meets function and practicality meets sustainability. Experience the future of dining with Magware's magnetic magic. It's the fresco diamond of outdoor tableware. Experience the ultimate in warmth and comfort with the KingCamp sleeping bag, an exceptional investment that redefines value. Designed with an expanded shape for a cozy slumber, this sleeping bag proves affordability and doesn't compromise quality, allowing you more budget for your mountain exploits. Crafted from 100% polyester 210T diamond lattice fabric, it's a blend of comfort and durability. The lightweight hollow cotton filling boasts remarkable insulation, enshrouding us in soothing warmth during chilly nights. Even as temperatures drop, we can rest assured. Versatility is at our fingertips with the option to combine two single sleeping bags into a double, broadening our sleeping space for companionship. The bag features an ISO collar, a wind baffle, and an adjustable drawstring hood to effectively trap warmth. Embrace the skin-friendly luxury of this sleeping bag, tailor-made for side sleepers. And when your adventure concludes, the included compression sack ensures easy, efficient packing. Elevate your outdoor rest with the KingCamp sleeping bag, where exceptional value meets remarkable performance. Embark on a journey toward a more efficient gear management system at camp. Bid farewell to complicated setups and knots with the introduction of the Camp Carabiner. This lightweight carabiner offers a knot-free solution for securely hanging your gear without any slippage. It easily attaches to any 5 and 50 paracord and can support up to 25 pounds of weight. With a simple twist, the carabiner locks in place once your gear is hung, ensuring stability. From backpacks and lanterns to towels, clothes, and boots, the Camp Carabiner is a versatile addition to your campsite. In just a matter of minutes, you can create a fully functional camp line for your convenience. Moreover, we've thoughtfully included an electronics attachment, allowing you to hang compatible lights and speakers by removing the paracord adapter. Enhance your camping experience with the Camp Carabiner, making gear organization a breeze at your campsite. Leading an active lifestyle is crucial, regardless of your age or your outdoor pursuits. Whether it's fishing, hunting, conquering mountains, or simply hiking with friends, you need a minimum set of accessories and tools. Ideally, these should be compact, reliable, and highly functional. Drawing from my personal experience in hiking and camping, I've created the Sharp & Spark 2-in-1 sharpener and fire starter outdoor tool. This innovative tool combines two of the most essential items you'll require during outdoor adventures and survival situations. One end serves as a sharpener, while the other functions as a fire starter. The built-in hole allows you to attach it to a backpack or belt using a carabiner. This tool is exceptionally compact and lightweight, roughly the size of a snack bar, making it easy to carry. With this unique design, you can sharpen your knife and start a fire, making it an indispensable piece for any outdoor enthusiast's gear collection. This versatile tool is a must-have for your adventure kit. According to statistics, approximately 580 billion cups of coffee are consumed worldwide each year. Even during hikes, many individuals can't do without their coffee fix. This might explain the emergence of a kit known as Bripe. With Bripe, you can brew your coffee in the great outdoors. The kit includes a compact brewing pipe, a metal filter, a stand, a butane burner, a thermometer, and a case, all for a price of $90. It offers a convenient and portable solution for coffee enthusiasts to enjoy their favorite brew while on outdoor adventures. Introducing the Pocket Shattaf, a compact and portable bidet solution that's always within reach. With a self-closing shower head, you have full control over water usage, making it an eco-friendly choice. Despite its small size, this device offers effective water pressure for precise and convenient usage, ensuring a thorough and hygienic experience. One of the standout features of the Pocket Shattaf is its whisper-quiet and discreet operation. The whole kit weighs just 350 grams and is incredibly compact, ensuring it easily fits into any luggage or bag. Whether you're traveling, camping, or just need a convenient and private bidet solution, the Pocket Shattaf is your go-to companion for maintaining hygiene while on the go. Introducing the GoSun Hybrid Solar and Electric Portable Oven, an affordable, foldable stove priced at just $30. While its design may seem simple, don't underestimate its capabilities. This compact marvel does more than merely boil and stew your food. It can even handle frying. The ingenious part lies in its operation. Your food is placed inside a 400 milliliter container, and with the aid of specially designed plates, it harnesses the sun's heat to elevate the internal temperature to a toasty 280 degrees. This innovative and cost-effective solution empowers outdoor enthusiasts and eco-conscious individuals to cook their meals sustainably, blending simplicity with versatility in an affordable package. The GoSun Hybrid is a game-changer in portable cooking, making outdoor adventures more delicious and environmentally friendly. Introducing the Pocket Sink, the world's most portable tap and sink system. This compact marvel is designed for ultimate mobility, with a small, foldable structure that's incredibly easy to transport, measuring just 25 by 18 by 6 centimeters and weighing a mere 500 grams. It offers a truly hygienic solution with its elbow operation, minimizing hand contact, while a foot pedal enables entirely non-contact hand washing. What sets the Pocket Sink apart is its water-saving features. The built-in tap comes with a latch and a needle stream nozzle, giving you precise control over water usage, helping conserve this precious resource. Furthermore, it's user-friendly for everyone, from children to people with disabilities, making hand washing accessible to all. The Pocket Sink is your on-the-go hand washing solution, ensuring cleanliness, convenience, and environmental responsibility in a compact package. Introducing the Pocket Bath, a remarkable portable bathroom that offers a tap, shower, and bidet in one versatile device. With its self-closing shower head, you can easily control water usage, making it an eco-conscious choice. This multifunctional device includes various nozzles, allowing it to function as a faucet, a shower, or a bidet or Shattaf, offering flexibility in your hygiene routine. Hygiene is made effortless with the foot pedal, which enables hands-free operation of the showerhead. Compact, small, and simple to use, the most advanced kit weighs just 500 grams and can conveniently fit into your outdoor hand luggage. The Pocket Bath is the epitome of convenience and efficiency, ensuring you have all the necessary bathroom amenities wherever you go, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures and travel.